Welcome to ActiveI's ActiveImage Protector tutorial videos. This is Robert from the ActiveI webinars. In this video, I'll be demonstrating installation for ActiveImage Protector 2022 for Windows. Let's start the installation by clicking on the ActiveImage Protector setup file. The installation dialog screen is now displayed. But before we can install any of the components, we'll need to input the product key. This is required whether you're using a purchase license key or if you're just going to be running a 30-day trial. Once you've populated the boxes with a 30-digit key, you can select which components to install by clicking the plus sign below the product key or by selecting other components at the Install Others section. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll just go with the default installation. Click the Install button located at the lower right of the dialog box. As we watch the progress bars, the drivers and files are copied to the default destination folder on your local hard drive. Once the installation is complete, the Cancel button at the lower right changes to Done. When this occurs, click Done. This particular installation has placed an ActiveImage Protector shortcut on the desktop. Alternatively, this executable can be accessed by clicking on the Start menu and then expanding ActiveI and then clicking ActiveImage Protector. The ActiveImage Protector 2022 splash screen appears and is followed by the ActiveImage Protector graphical user interface. Congratulations! You have now completed your first step in securing your data. Should you have any questions, issues, concerns, or you just need support, feel free to contact ActiveI by email or phone. Thank you for your interest in ActiveImage Protector, and thank you for watching.